Well. Look what's going to destroy Dodge. This is the car right here that will, I promise you, and I guarantee you, it's going to destroy the Dodge brand. Let's have a conversation. Well, as you see, this is the nasty, ugly, I ain't gonna call it ugly, it's an alright looking car, the Dodge Hornet. Guaranteed to put Dodge out of business. This car right here is gonna put Dodge out of business. Look at it. Pretty nice looking car inside. I'm gonna tell you, in my opinion, why Dodge messed up with this car. And this car could have been a great car if Dodge would have did what? If Dodge would have made this little car right here an electric car. This should have been the electric car right here, the Dodge Hornet. And they could have kept it at the same price tag of $36,000. That would have made this car, right here, they would have made this an affordable electric car that would have solved all of Dodge's problems. They wouldn't need to be getting no, they would have been able to make electric cars. That way they could have kept making their V8s like Ford is doing and Chevy does. Because Chevy got the Volt, Ford's got the Mach, Mustang. If Dodge would have made this little dumb Hornet an electric car, they would have struck gold. It would have been the best selling electric car on the market because it's by far, it would have been the best looking electric car. So it would have been the best selling electric car on the market. It would have been the most affordable electric car on the market. And it would have solved all Dodge's problems. Look at it, man. Imagine this being an electric car. It'd have been perfect. This would have been the perfect little pooter scooter. It would have been a perfect little pooter scooter to be pooting around the city in your little electric car that you paid $36,000, getting who knows what kind of mileage you would have been getting on it because it's so little. Man, it would have been perfect. Look how nice it is inside. You could have had your little flat bottom steering wheel, digital dash, your little Android type of infotainment system. It'd have been a nice car. You would have had some nice wheels on it. If this would have been an electric car, it would have been perfect. And look at the price tag, $38,000 for it. If this would have been electric, $38,000 would have been the perfect price tag. I'm out here sweating, boy. Ooh, I'm sweating because I know what I'm talking about. But yeah, they would have made this car electric instead of trying to drop it as entry level muscle car. How could this be an entry level muscle car? I need you to explain something to me, Dodge. How can this be an entry level muscle car? Nothing about it is muscle. It's not fast. It's not the best looking car. It doesn't look muscular. Does that look muscular to you? Does that look muscular to you? Do you know what it look like? It look like somebody that go to the gym every day and he don't see no results. He been going to the gym or she been going to the gym for the last 5 years and ain't nothing changed. You know why ain't nothing changed? Because they ain't put no effort into it when they go in the gym. They do the same thing and they don't put no effort into it. Same thing with Dodge. Going to the gym every day, not putting in no effort, and this is what you fart out. This is what they farted out. Dodge Hornets. Look at them. A whole line of these nasty, ugly pieces of trash. I want to, if I could boot this to the moon, I'd boot them all to the moon. I said, line them up, I'm going to boot them all to the moon. Look at them. But just imagine if they was electric. If they would have made this car electric, they would have been on to something. They would have been on to a gold mine. It would have saved everything. We could have saved the beautiful Scat Pack with the RTs. Look, the V8s right here. This is a Scat Pack right here. We would have been able to, Dodge could have kept making the Dodge Challenger. Now they don't make Challengers no more. With the V8, the big boy V8, they could have kept making these beautiful cars. Look at this Scat over here. Only if Dodge would have turned this damn Hornet into an electric car, we could have kept getting big V8 Scat Packs with the 6.4 liter. You know what I'm saying? Maybe the Scat Pack would have went to the next level and been supercharged Scat Packs. But no. We got Carlos running things. And this is what Carlos was in the office doing. Yeah, he said, matter of fact, we not even going to give him a brand new car. What we going to do? We're going to give him an Alfa Morel Tonale. Rebadge it, put a Dodge fascia on it, and a Dodge back on it, and we're going to call it a new car, and those dumb Americans are going to fall for it. Bull. I bet we didn't. We spotted this from a mile away. This ain't nothing but a Compass and a Tonale, all the same little dumb cars, putting one. And Carlos thought we was gonna fall for this. Look at this. What is this? A GT? Is this a GT? Yeah, this is a GT. I mean, look, the interior is nice. I'm not gonna sit here and act like the car is really whack. The interior is good. I mean, infotainment is all right. The digital dash, I mean, it's all right inside. It's just good enough to be an electric car. Nothing else. No more, no less. I mean, I think Carlos thought we was dumb. Carlos thought we was dumb. Tim Kaniskis, I'm blaming you too. You got your big, fat, funky, musty ass on the thing and told us, oh yeah, the Dodge Hornet. Oh my God, it's entry level, muscle level. Oh my, it's the perfect car for everybody. If you don't get your lying ass out of here. And then you gonna bail on us. First chance he got, he bailed on us and left us with this. Tim Kaniskis left the Brotherhood of Muscle with this. This is what we got to look forward to in an electric muscle car that they just delayed. They done delayed it, and it's gonna be the slowest electric car out. So you mean to tell me the future of Dodge is a Dodge Hornet and a Dodge Charger, 2-door and 4-door, electric and an inline 6, and we supposed to be excited? You know what we looking at here, guys, fellas and girls, you know what we looking at? We looking at the end of Dodge. That's right, we looking at the end of Dodge. You mean to tell me they went away from these beautiful machines, to go with this? Horrible decision. Let me know in the comments, do you agree? If they would have turned the Dodge Hornet into an electric car, they would have struck gold. These cars would have been selling like hotcakes. They would have been flying off the lot. $38,000 for an electric car, a cool looking little electric car too. Come on, this look better than a Tesla. It definitely look better than the Tesla and every other little electric car out there. It don't look better than the Mustang electric car. I think Ford got the best looking electric car. But this bad boy would have been in a close second. It definitely would have been in a close second. Come on now. So in my opinion, that's where they went wrong. Instead of making the Dodge Hornet entry-level muscle car, I don't know what the hell entry-level. I don't even know what an entry-level muscle car is. What is an entry-level muscle car? If anything, I would say the RT is an entry-level muscle car. But yeah, if they would have made this car electric, it would have saved Dodge. They would have saved Dodge. Yeah, like I said, if they would have made that Hornet, this dumb Hornet, electric, it would have saved everything. It would have saved the company. The company wouldn't be struggling like it is now. But as you see, when you get Carlos as your leader, this is what you get. Pure D, stupidity. I'm going to slide on up out of here, man. But I just wanted to touch bases on y'all. The Dodge Hornet will be the death of Dodge, in my opinion, because it was not electric. If it would have been electric, it would have been the savior of Dodge. But since they didn't come out with it electric, it will be the death of Dodge. I promise you that. Mark my words. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend about me. And like I said, I appreciate everybody that showed me love while I was sick. I appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all. Y'all stay blessed up. And hey, don't be no doofus, magoofus, and buy you one of these. Don't. Now, if they drop these down to $12,000, you'll see me in a Hornet too. But until then, get this trash out of here. I'm gone, y'all. Peace.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's